In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods on TripAdvisor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a card during checkout so you can complete your booking smoothly and confidently. To begin, start a booking on TripAdvisor. Choose the hotel or tour you're interested in, select your dates and any options you need, then proceed to checkout. This is important because TripAdvisor lets you add a payment method within the booking flow rather than as a separate action. Moving through to the checkout page is what brings up the payment options you'll use. Once you're on the payment page, you'll be prompted to enter your payment info. This is where you provide your card details to secure the reservation. TripAdvisor generally accepts major cards like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, but availability can vary by your country and the specific booking partner handling the reservation. Before you type anything in, double-check the total cost, currency, and any taxes or fees displayed so you know exactly what will be charged. To add a new credit or debit card, enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV exactly as shown on your card. The CVV is typically the 3-digit code on the back of most cards, or a 4-digit code on the front of some. Make sure the name on the card and the billing address you provide match your bank's records, as mismatches can cause declines. Typing the numbers carefully and avoiding spaces can help the system validate your card more reliably. If a different card appears by default, for example, one your browser or the booking partner suggests, you can use a different one by entering the new card details right on that payment screen before you complete the booking. Look for the field to add or use another card, then fill in the number, expiration date, and CVV. Take a moment to review every digit, confirm the expiry format, and ensure the card hasn't passed its validity date. If you're having trouble adding a card online, head to the TripAdvisor Help Center and contact support. Share the exact error message you're seeing, the type of card you're using, and your region to help them diagnose account-specific issues. For security, don't include full card numbers or your CVV in any messages. Support can investigate what's causing the problem and guide you through a safe resolution. That's it. Start a booking, enter your payment info at checkout, add or switch to the card you want, and reach out to support if anything gets in the way. Happy booking!